of people coming up to you and saying, this has hurt me, or this has not worked for me, your changes have not taken me into account. And a lot of the answers have been, well, in trying to make it better, we may have overstepped, we may have not thought about certain things, and please give us that opportunity to fix it for you because it's in your interest and it's in our interest that we want to make this right. When a negative comes to me from a buyer, I would like to have the same privilege that you're asking for. I would like to be able to say to a buyer, I can understand that that's what your issue was, and forgive us, we're human too. And frankly, I know I have 7 days to fix that, but I'm not as fully staffed as eBay is. I mean, we don't have as many blue shirts at our company. So it may not be that I'm going to be able to understand what that buyer's experience has been in a period of 7 days. It may take, 8 days. And in the meantime, 1 day makes a difference in my permanent experience. So my question is, with the removal of my ability to take feedback or give feedback, negative feedback to buyers, you've also removed the square trade ability of the mutual feedback withdrawal. Instead of that, can't we have some kind of other mechanism by which to understand what's going on and fix it in the way that you're asking that of us?
Yes. Yes, that's a good answer, Brian.
That was an easy.
Yeah, you see that was that? Yes.
So the answer is yes, and I think what we, as we removed mutual feedback withdrawal, the intent really was to make sure that seller's focus was on providing great service the first time. We realize that everybody makes mistakes. Buyers make mistakes, sellers make mistakes. So our goal is by the end of October to have a replacement of mutual feedback withdrawal. It will not be the same as mutual feedback withdrawal. It will be a replacement. But again, with the tenet that, again, we want the seller focused on great service up front, not someone who's great at fixing mistakes consistently. There is a difference in the buyer experience between those two types of sellers. But for that seller who's providing great service, definitely we want to give them that opportunity to correct this. So let's verify October.
Thank you, Scott. Microphone number 2.